Hello everyone, and welcome to an Education Commons video titled Introduction to Microsoft CoPilot. In this video today, we'll go over what is Microsoft CoPilot, we'll show you how you can access Microsoft CoPilot at OISE, and we'll navigate around the Microsoft CoPilot homepage. So what is Microsoft CoPilot? Well, essentially, it's an AI-powered assistant that's available at OISE. It basically serves as a chatbot where you can ask questions and get very detailed responses. The one thing I want to note is that when you're using Microsoft CoPilot, make sure you are signed in with your University of Toronto email address to make sure that all of your data stays secure. Now, I'm going to show you how you can access Microsoft CoPilot at OISE, and we'll do some navigating around the Microsoft CoPilot homepage. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Microsoft CoPilot website. You can find it easily by Googling Microsoft CoPilot or typing in copilot.microsoft.com into your web browser. You'll be asked to enter your University of Toronto email address, followed by a UTOR ID authentication. Once you're logged into the Microsoft CoPilot website, you'll see a lot of information available to you. But the first thing we should check out is to make sure that we have been signed in and authenticated with our University of Toronto email address. I also like checking out the settings because I can change my language or time zone if needed. I also prefer to use Microsoft CoPilot in dark mode, so I will toggle that on. And just like that, we've updated our settings in Microsoft CoPilot. Here at the top, you'll see some prompts that you can easily click on, and they'll be populated down in your text bar. If this is a prompt you wish to use, you can easily click the Submit button and Microsoft CoPilot will get to work. As you can see, it generates responses very quickly, and you can also see any of the other questions or chats that you've asked Microsoft CoPilot in the past. Let's start a new chat, and I'll show you a couple different ways that you can use Microsoft CoPilot as a staff or faculty member. So first things first, I just received a lengthy email from one of my colleagues, but I don't feel like reading it, or maybe I just don't have time. So I'm actually going to ask Microsoft CoPilot to summarize an email for me. As you can see, the email is super lengthy, but when I send it off to Microsoft CoPilot, it will actually read the email and then break it down into something that's a little bit more easy to understand. Now you can see Microsoft CoPilot has summarized the email. I'm now going to ask Microsoft CoPilot to write a response to this email. And just like that, I have a very quickly generated email that I can use in Microsoft Outlook. I can go one step further and actually ask Microsoft CoPilot to create the entire training session for me. As you can see, Microsoft CoPilot creates a full-on lesson for a 2-hour Zoom training session that I can deliver to faculty members at OISE. And these are just a few of the things that you can use Microsoft CoPilot to do. There are a whole wide array of possibilities, so I recommend heading over to Microsoft CoPilot website and giving it a chance. Thanks.